Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Fridays with Frank. I hope your weekend's going to be productive. And if you're not doing any work, spend some time with your family and have fun. My goodness. Anyway, so this morning's topic is going to be a little reflection. Today, I'm celebrating my 7th anniversary date with EXP. Best decision I've ever made. And I'll tell you the reason why. But first, I've been doing my morning reading and it's always talking about you need to go for it because you'll have regrets and everything else. About 7 years ago, I was approached about this concept through a guy named Brent Gove. And at the time, I was a regional manager for another company. And the hardest thing for me to do was to come home and tell my wife that I'm leaving a steady paycheck, all our medical's gone, and I'm gonna be a 1099 employee. I'll never forget the look on her face, like, way to go, brainless, something to the effect. Anyway, that was 7 years ago. Let me tell you the lesson here. I betted on myself because most of my real estate career, I've been running offices for 2 companies and it's been great. I've learned so many things and I met so many new friends. But if you're out there listening to this and you're struggling with making a decision on what to do, you gotta go all in. You really do. This has afforded me able to travel, not having to ask permission. It's allowed me to pretty much kind of semi-retire, work when I want, and it gives you the freedom. And with the benefit of the company that I've been with, EXP, it's given me some retirement too. So I just can't thank Brent for taking a chance on me. And he has definitely shown me the way. So I'm giving much love to Brent and Kathy for how they supported me and how they take me under their wing and always help me. So if you're struggling with the decision today, go for it. Bet on yourself. Take that adventure. Read that book. Whatever it is that you're contemplating, you will regret it if you don't. And it's the best thing that I ever did. Okay, everybody, have a great weekend and we'll see you here next Friday on Fridays with Frank. Have a good one.